Today, I'll walk you through how to change or update the data source path in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to modify your data source path so you can keep your reports accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, open Power BI Desktop. Once you're in, navigate to the Home tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This is your command center for many of Power BI's features, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it. Next, look for the drop-down arrow next to the option labeled Transform Data. Click on that arrow, and from the menu that appears, select Data Source Settings. This is where you can manage all your data sources. Think of it as the control panel for your data connections. Once you're in the Data Source Settings window, you'll see a list of your current data sources. Select the data source path you want to modify from this list. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Now, at the bottom of this window, click on Change Source. This will open up a new dialog box where you can specify the new path for your data source. Here you have two options. You can either click Browse to select the new file directly from your computer, or you can paste the updated folder or server path into the text field provided. Choose the method that works best for you. It's like picking the right tool for the job. After you've selected the new path, click OK to confirm your changes. Then click Close to exit the Data Source Settings window. Now, to ensure your report reflects these changes, look for the yellow notification bar at the top of your report view. Click Apply Changes to refresh the data. This step is crucial because it updates your visuals with the new data source. Think of it as giving your report a fresh coat of paint. And there you have it. You've successfully changed or updated the data source path in Power BI. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.